Our clever availability rules mean you'll never miss an opportunity to accept a booking, and our on-request facility means you'll never accept a booking you can't fulfill. There are two ways you can receive a booking in Proweb. Depending on your availability rules, you'll either receive an on-request booking or a free cell booking. If the system is showing sufficient availability in a vehicle group, the customer will have the option to book the vehicle there and then. This is a free cell booking. You know if a vehicle is available as a free cell booking, as the button underneath the vehicle image will say Book. Once placed, the free cell booking will appear in ProHire, and the customer will receive an email confirming the details of the booking. If you have set up card payments, the customer will be charged at this point. If you have limited availability, let's say you only have 2 vehicles left in a particular group, the customer will have the option to request a vehicle. At this stage, the booking is not confirmed. If you've set up card payments, the customer's card details will be pre-authorized. You'll then need to accept or reject the booking based on your availability at the time. You have 72 hours to confirm if you are able to fulfill the booking. During this period, you'll receive a maximum of 5 email reminders, ensuring you don't miss a booking. Both on-request and free cell bookings will appear automatically at the bottom right-hand corner of the ProHire allocation chart or the daily diary. Availability rules. Proweb provides you with complete flexibility over your availability, and you can decide the basis on which you offer vehicles. Let's take a look at the different rules you can set up and how these relate to your online bookings. Here, we see the main availability screen. The different availability rules are divided into 2 groups: allocation rules and interpretation rules. First, we'll look at the interpretation rules. The first rule, minimum number of vehicles available for free cell, allows you to decide when a vehicle group will move from a free cell booking to an on-request booking. Here, we want vehicles to display as request when we have less than 3 vehicles in a group, so we adjust the minimum number of vehicles to 3. If you have 3 vehicles, the customer can book there and then. If you have 2 vehicles in a group, the customer can only request a vehicle, and you'll need to manually accept or reject the booking. You confirm the booking using your existing ProHire system. The next rule, hours notice for free cell, allows you to control the notice period required to offer a vehicle group as free cell. The default setting here is 36 hours, but you can adjust this setting to suit your own requirements. If a customer tries to book a vehicle less than 36 hours before the pickup date, the booking will be displayed as on request, and you'll need to accept or reject it, depending on your availability. The next rule, set availability to on request when 0 available, allows you to display vehicles to the customer on your website even if you don't have any availability. By setting this rule to true, customers will be able to request a vehicle, and although you may not have any availability, you have the opportunity to find a vehicle and fulfill the booking. You'll have 72 hours to confirm if you're able to accept or reject the booking.